This is Apaches Travel. We're over here in Augusttown in Judgement Yard. We're going to finish up in the studio with Davi Don, where he's going to perform some of his songs. Then we're going to head back out, check out some of Augusttown and the surrounding areas. Stay tuned. So. Yep. Judgement Yard. Today is a brand new day. Read that, it's survive.
This is the Kalonji studio, official Dada studio, Judgement Yard.
Someone drew that picture for him? Sizzla. Yeah. Africa. Sizzla studio here. The sounds are made.
Actually, Sizzla studio when we produce a lot of great hits them.
Shabba, swing the box. Swing the box. Look the box here. We are going to beat a medium.
Sizzla Kalonji. That's the booth there, right?
No man don't touch nothing. Yeah,
that's
good.
See, watch it. See thing there? Kids are innocent. Remember when Dada said that?
Oh yeah, that came out of the Plaque.
Kids are innocent, that's it.
Yeah. See, he didn't take him out. Only DJ Khaled.
That's it.
He want to put his name big. Take the credit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's another part of it. Yeah.
Right now, life, you know. Believe. One Brooklyn boss, one Brooklyn operation. West Bank, BNG, believe. Use my future.
Judgement Yard.
You don't know, pull up that rhythm there from start. Plead my cause, oh Lord, with them that strive with me. Fight against those that fight against me. Yeah man, take hold of shield and battler and stand up for our health. West Bank, Blood Nation, yeah. I start smoke from a tender age. I'm a little and I grow, I never remember fears. No, mad cool like December days. So we quick to kill a fool with pretender ways. You see West Bank, how we defend the place. If a boy violate, we not in on no trace. Gallagher, locked down for days. You know take me nothing if go get another page. Get on you, just remember be bold. Remember the world where we living like cool. Me can say don't trust a soul. The Bible is a worker when you work, you reap where you sow. Hey, me carry a piece from my roll. Cause he in the streets about me with a Greek with a foe. Cover me Holy Ghost. Love life my live, come can't live no more. Get to you, just remember be bold. Remember the world where we living like cool. Me gonna say don't trust a soul. The Bible is a worker when you work, you gonna reap where you sow. Hey, me carry a piece from my roll. Cause he in the streets about me with a Greek with a foe. Cover me Holy Ghost. Love life we live, cause we can't live no more. Alright, make me show you where me did I grow without anybody grow so. Each up every day I listen music off the radio. Jump and perform like me there on a stage show. Wait, but I time of the master. Yes, make ways to prepare for disaster. One drip, catch a bark on the water. Watch them and watch me, I can't see my father. Wait, how the artist na shot. See Shabba there, listen how the artist a chop. Some of them I wonder if you not do no check I mean humble yourself and just go on easy back. Wait, broken, but I my time now. See silence I shine so I shine now. What the power we do, so I might grind now. I try catch a melody, you can find my flow. Yanaka, just remember be bold. Remember the world where we living like cool. Me gonna say no, just a soul. The Bible is a worker when you work, you reap when you sow. Hey, me carry a piece of a road. And see in the streets and we reap with a four. Cover with Holy Ghost. Love life we live, cause we can't live no more. Oh, you mean everything go on? I bet say them never know who they live so long. The thing exposed and we get discovered. I must see that make the whole of them say ignorant. Yeah, plan up how to kill the Dan. You know, say how your works, everything go wrong. I just focus on my knowledge and my willpower. I said if we never chop, try and go and sing my song. Yeah, all the words are unfortunate. Like to focus on my dream, not really hard for meds. Fear accomplish some goals, when more forget help my family or poverty, show them so we pass the test. Yes, get to you believe in yourself. You can become a pilot or an architect. Basically anything where you have in your mates. Take the lab protector for anything where you call your friends. Get to you, just remember the goal. Remember the world where we living like gold. Hey, no, just a soul. The Bible say work out when you work. Yeah, we know you're so. Hey, DJ enough, man. Oh, yeah, so peace out. Yeah, and that's a West Bank. That's the most recent tune from YouTube. And see me, just run, go stream it up.
Big up Davi Don.
Broco. Eh?
Up so come.
I want West Bank. No more, no more. Brawling. To my own wife. Big up the whole CRG. Get the top them over there, so. Watch you now. Gonzales, I give them worried. One in a them make the fuck of them damage. When them know about long road shark and try them with rope and watch them back them. Roll with the hill and the arc them. Know so we cool them, know so we heartless. Wait, bad with my ways and my flaws them bait. Know you are linked with the sergeant carbon capital. Bust out them head and tell sergeant the capital. We no par with and take top from Batman. Mongrel dark from the bag and cannibal. Them can't get a talk and me habitat. Take another book every day and the addition. But those people that go buy a tradition. I think they disappear like magician. Wait, pussy them no rasta city and a potion. Go, get captured.
Level!
I don't know what thing coming up. I make money was level and broke home. Gonzales, I give them worried. One in a them make the fuck of them knowledge. What them know about long run sharkage. Start them with rope and watch them bomb them. Roll with the eagle and the arc, them know so we cool, them know so we heartless. Wait, bad with my ways and my flaws, them bait. Know you're linked with the sergeant, carbon, capital. Bust out them head and tell sergeant me copy that. We no far with and take talk from Batman. Mongrel dark, them organs cannibal. Them can't get a thought, and me habitat. Make another dopey every day and the addition. Me don't say that you better go buy a tradition. I make it disappear like magician. Wait, the pussy them know Rasta City and a portion of Rasta. Say the wrong word and your friend get captured. Violate man dog, you can't live no longer. The chicken them release me anger. Bust them head and then go bum ganja. If bust out them head top, me just get a sanction. Them don't see me, and me don't know the fraction. Them know say me sick, them know me a madman. Crazy and daily, who wavy them fear with them pussy hole, they don't know bravery. Shaky them girl and tell me say them lazy, amazing the time me and heavy. Payslip, Africa they come me never claim it. Wave it, left my stamp on the pavement. My life me a live and me not feel me a take. Catch you at the bus stop, then your breath just stop. Bad do the 4 and the 5 at the clutch back. Tell me pray for me because my skull bad. I brought in middle day, we a bush shot. Get that, me love that. Yeah, me did a meds that. Everything I headshot, everything I dead back. Now retreat, I will not go to render. Me a go feed me not care the agenda. Gonzales, I give them worried. One in a them make all the fuck of them nah meds. But them know about long run sharkage. Start them with rope and watch them and bomb them. Roll with the eagle and the heart them. Know so we put them, know so we heartless. Wait, bad with my ways and my beard. How the fuck them fell. Right to the fuck like a beat like bell. Hold them shot down the whole thing hell. Y'all a speed man and jump fence. Yo, sharp down how the fuck them feel. Right to the fuck and y'all feel like weed. Anyone go without the fucking sweet feel. Pussy them we know badness and the kids meal. And Chin Kelly say a brawling. Got them with the carty, everything falling. Again, little road Jackson, I never did step from a show, Gallica, everything I go select. Make some look up, so I catch him in a flip flop with what? Twist flop, bust make the flip flop, pussy love top, well I shot in a lip top. Carry me now the waist man trip flop. Who that, nick that, right now a big shot. Call like a big shot, right flop, rock back. In a way, you must sell a bag of contracts, Chevy get the flip some kind of love God, yeah now I love that, yeah me love that. Everything I headshot, everything I dead back.
Yo, me think say yo. One silence for the meal. Silence for
the studio. Come see in our studio.
hear that? You're home town, I mean, you know you live steady. Man, brother. You stay smart, I hear that?
Yeah, West Bank. Me not hear West Bank. West Bank. Where West Bank there?
West Bank.
BNG.
Wait. Hey boy, yeah.
Yeah, Ediatt. And if you need that, no boy.
Wait. Hey boy, yeah, fool. Yeah, Ediatt. Anyone who goes here, we can bring that. Fuck the fame, and for the media. We are style, our photo. West Bank, them a fool. Them a Ediatt. Anyone who goes here, we carry trigger. Fuck the fame, and for the media. We are style, our photo. Yo, Dante, pull up in the beamer. Them know see how we go on the ski man. Yo, yeah, hear me demon. Them a get it all if them they a dreamer. Pull up in a pro box, in a ski man. Up on a yang, and make it realer. Them a for dead anytime you kick a squeezer. I with pussy that I talk about it. Hey, boy, I fall. Yeah, Ediatt. Anyone who go we have to carry trigger. What the fame, and for the media. We are style of a photo chicken. Hey boy, you fool. Yeah, Ediatt. Hey, Bobo go, we carry trigger. Fuck the fame, and for the media. We are style of a photo chicken. I mix it up. Yeah, she like that. Yeah, when she jumps, so she bring it right back. Yeah, me smoke weed, we don't burn crack. Yeah, she a tell me I'm money, she want back. Jump her off at the bus stop. After me done, fuck that. Yeah, she like that. Cause she don't know. I gotta say me too toxic. Wait, show me have a girl named Ashley. Say every minute she a blood clot, watch me. So me tell her say we take one taxi. Meanwhile we don't need the vaccine. I drive, go pick up her auntie. She a tell her cocky and box me. Me tell her to stop the blood clot antics. Crazy, so me tell her to pass through. And make a little friend watch cartoon. And make we go in at the bathroom. And then the little G-string start move. And then while me a weed out the taboo. And me a fucking like when start pass through. Hey, I eat that guy and palm pole. At West Bank and you know so we can't. When you listen to the dog true start move.
Weird. Yeah, she like that.
Work we are.
Billy. Get your one now.
I lost my consciousness and time in there, and time done in there. One Davi done, one Davi done. Same bad that most with a G. Just mix some coconut tea. Me will fucking wheel up a seat. Me rub you down with a little sheen. And you mean to cut your pretty nipple from a seed. God bless you with a sexy physique. But nobody can know you're a freak. I mean alone make you up in you. From your pussy clean, make me push it in. What you mean? From your pussy clean, me could do believe what you mean. From your pussy clean, me be a scream. I be a fat pussy girl in the scheme. What you mean? To the pussy print up in your jeans. Me a see it every time you walk past me a pre. One fuck every day in the week. Me bust off every little sleep pussy clean. And the ears now STDs. And your pussy low cheap like say a CD. Watch you up on DVD. Hey, yeah, we have blood clot pre. And the sleep member say the killer in my me. So you feel couple dead faces in my jeans. Victoria, I'm a pretty little tweet. I mean, I every secret rare keep. Catch you free, member say the killer. I'm a clean Air Force white tees. I'm a ripped jeans. I'm a drop down with the Philippines. I mean, I real gun man in our scheme. Nigga still a free, oh. Fuck the please, just free, I live the streets. Pan the pretty sand, pan the pretty beach. Yeah, I unleash. You mean from your pussy clean, me a beg pussy clean. You mean from a pussy clean, me don't believe. When your pussy clean, me a beg scream. I be a fat pussy girl in my scheme. What you mean to the pussy print on your jean? Me a see it every time you walk past me a free. One fuck every day in the week. I'ma bust out the big little C. Say your bad just long out your tongue for me, come for me. Me a black cocky be a company. Me a shut up pistol hold no gun for me. Love it when you make your pussy girl jump for me. Say you love me life in a luxury. Love me more than jail and I love killing. Love me when they get dark and done to me. When you come to free I'm a gun for me. Weird, when your pussy clean, me push it in. Anytime you see a wine, I'm gonna believe. When you touch a guy, you know what you do to me. When you fuck me, say car, I'm gonna see the screen. This super free, killer than Japanese. When you see a mix, eat Cavalli. She a get wild and unleashed. Wait, hey, get it out. Don't hit time never come with your mind drop down it. My money enough so you come round me, but if you boom sick you better cut down. Hey girl, you love fuck down it, I never come with your drop down it. My money enough so you come round me, but if you boom sick you better cut down. Girl I get wild like Morals, lava, no jazz, cocky get broke off, suck off, little miss with the nose off. She a say hot like break you broke off. Get bumble like she don't know. But me not stop a man from profile. See the Mali this right, this ain't a bad. If the girl wanna fuck her Hennessy, she a say style incomplete. The girl wanna fuck her Hennessy, but when you wake up you come a skin deep. Watch out, pick her up in a the big piece. She a tell me say she want 6 piece. She don't know where I mean she needs and wait. Difficult. But my heart don't have key. What key then? We are from the island. Hey. Ever. My heart. Yo, quiet. I don't have key. It difficult bully beef. She bring the pussy come, she never make the bully see. Baby, no worry if you miss the clip of politics. I'm from a 33 street, my name got key. It difficult bully beef. She bring the pussy come, she never make the bully see. Baby, no worry if you miss the clip of politics. I'm from a 33 street, we are best spot them. Calm, easy, we get them, believe me. Me will take a girl, oh easy, peasy. She love her, we ask her, some say easy.
I don't have keys. Wait, my heart don't have key. If you call bully beef, she bring the pussy come. She never made the bully see. Baby, no worry if you miss the game of bully teeth. I'm from the 30th street. Wait, my heart don't have key. If you call bully beef, she bring the pussy come. She never made the bully see. Baby, no worry if you miss the game of bully teeth. Alright then, calm, easy, we get them, believe me. Me we take them girl, oh easy, peasy. She love off the oxy, some say breezy. She act out of time, first say cheesy. Believe me, man, not in a lie. We take for your girl and start to cry. I just in a hoop, so she start to go try. Girl, that ain't your time, so listen. Oh me, oh my, and the Gina lie. She full up of potential, no question why. And me take off everything, but you say you buy. Wait, my heart don't have key. It even called bully beef. She bring the pussy come, she never made the bully see. Baby, no worry if you miss the clip of bully teeth. I'm from the 30th street, wait, my heart don't have key. If you call bully beef, she bring the pussy come, and make the bully see. Baby, no worry if you miss the clip of bully teeth. I feel like a that then. Alright, when the night cold, me and search a girl with a tight hole. Oh, it cleans up, it come be like gold. The pussy fat so me love when it takes pose. When the night cold, me and search a girl with a tight hole. Oh, it cleans up, it come be like gold. Pussy fat so me love when it takes pose. Tappy nice, pussy they too good, it a bigger sacrifice. Remember me heart cold tougher than happy eyes. That make happy eyes, I'm not alive. From me looking at your eyes, you don't know me alone, cause you make you precise. Pussy in her face every night, a bad girl, I'm in love with me when she ride it. Alright, when the night cold, and the Glock 40, I take them soul. When the night cold, and the Glock 40, I take them soul. How we feel so? Come here like gold. Alright, hold on there. I thought you the keep a carry in my charge. Watch out, you want it just call me and link cracky make time, me blast it on. Hold on there. I thought you the clip a carry in my charge. And me want it just call me and watch out now, Rocky Ben. Alright, man. You no fear none at all. Rifle with all like a real man a fall. Wait, disappear my walls. Rifle my march, we no walk with no stars. No, you no care of the cost. Boy, you forget it from your ramp with the boss. Wait, calm down. A big rifle boss for them man, cause problem fam. You know the time them come. Them not going boy gun them come. Bust out them head and go build it song. A one rifle boss for them man, cause problem fam. You know the time them time. Them also buy gun them bomb. What go on? How we call that?
This for Chapex.
Chapex. Man, buy chase them there. Yo,
The drinks never reach back.
money. Come like you know a joke. Where you move your fire poster? Where you move fire poster?
You need a refreshment, you know,
DJ Ediatt that. We're not the one you want. Yeah, killer tactics. Don't see a man look at a girl and try to panic. Don't see a man look at a girl and try to panic. You open the eyes when you see a girl panic. Alright, just get a girl speak Spanish. When she fly down, me I collect my package. If a man there, I mean care some savage. And if she want cut, me nah black traffic. White tees, ripped jeans, black clocks, get girl, easy, black bars, ice down, stay cool, top chart, school them, homework, mass class. I say my style, too sick, top class, big guns, big moves, up fast, one dan, one G, one mass, West Bank, Davi Don, Trail Boss. Yeah, have another stage show. Link up Chanel, play another key and low. Fire can in the head, so when you see we stay low. What is a real low? I don't play though. Alright, but just bust another head. On the business, someone make a lot of bread. Fuck a lot of girls, some of them not go Z. Hold on high grade, some hold a lot of men. Alright, hold on, I'm calling a kick. Style in my beat like a corona. Sick, boom, my kick. I'm fire me, hold my tick. When the time the G, they say, the mix a real time, the real mix. The time the G, no need, no bitch, so West time. Team did it, we team did it. Yo, top down, team did it. Work from first. There now. I all have breeze and things. But hard work. Just teacher that me a sweat and me a perform. That's what it's about that I love about music. That's why I choose it. Because I remember be spontaneous so you can dance and we enjoy ourselves and that. I love about music itself. That's what I like.
Because you can express yourself to the music.
As me I tell you say yo, when I sing niche and them stuff me and my family them ears for me I say yo, me a thief and I have my grandmother down. I love my grandmother, you know you. Grandmother listen to my song every party me keep my grandmother there and support me.
She still supports.
She still supported of music. She brought them a reason cause you don't know where come first now. We are drink and we are smoke some weed, you see me? See it there?
Campari and Rain his nephew, huh?
Yeah, big, what going, bro?
I like that. Rocky like. I like the Rocky.
Big, you like it? Yeah, I just love. Principle. Let's look all the place clean. And we there we are smoke and we are drink. Show them the ground as well.
Everything clean.
Mother and daughter love. When them this still back at them dead 12:01.
I say no. Rocky, tell him say Rocky there. Rocky. Bombo clash. Side. Good.
And a joke.
One bones.
Yo, what you doing? Yeah, man. Bloody. Cool.
Bike up, you know cool. Silver, crime brain. Bombo clash. States there. States.
50.
Man.
Man.
You know.
Say what I do,
Man, dog out there, no man. Crazy, no man.
Believe man, right now the journey. What I love about the music are them encounter you. You never know because what? Them thing here, it's just sophisticated in a sense. It's like it's an algorithm from a meds if you read. Like what Alkaline say. Yeah, I get it. Big up Alkaline too, because he's a very sophisticated artist as well, isn't me? Great artist. Skilly Ben, you know say Skilly Ben come from St. Thomas. Labas, Chronicler come from St. Thomas. Chronicler one of the most.
Popcorn St. Thomas.
Popcorn too as well.
pop on and do it worldwide, same way as artists I really look up to as well. Right now, me honestly aspire for reach on some international platform where we can look back and say, yeah, that would be one of the long-term goal for me in the music industry to really reach up on some platform like Sean Paul and
soon come. Just keep it pushing, you know. Keep it going.
Yeah, that's the aim. That's why we try our best to keep ourselves intact, to keep ourselves healthy, because health is well said way. Always I try to motivate them brother them say, drink a lot of water, I do drink. A lot of the youth them empowered and when I drink sodas because as you can see,
it's not good for you.
It's not great, it's not good at all. And it's right now you hear me there, so I speak, I honestly have the cold in that whole encounter here and you don't really see it about them because the way we live, the way we grow, my natural system, the food we eat. You see me? Try and play football every Sunday, same way as the artist. Try to keep himself healthy.
You keep nice and fit. Healthy, fit.
Yeah. You don't know how strong to get him to see him, you know. Can't wake up, you know. You see me?
Well, can't party, won't hurt you not.
Right now, even up to my little brother, them, because them actually they are school now, the youth them we seen at the video. Just remember we both.
Oh, that was your
Them really are depend on how we do it. Them really are look up to them. Aspire to become like we, them see man like Shabba, Rocky them, sight them. To them look up to we are Siva them. To them youth they look up to we man, I tell you our whole syndicate of youth, not only just August town. Out upon the wider diaspora too, we have a new generation. We have say Brooklyn, we have say Blood Nation, we have say West Bank. We have said youth them, we have our next bad artist named Silence. They're from the camp, Dome. Yeah, me man Khaled man, you know have to say a word man. We are go later in the night we have venture go up on the next black no home. Really chillax with me the year. Understand me the out in the world. That a Blood Nation. BNG that are R.I.P. President said we. Don't know that. Said we. And so how has your journey been here? How has the trip been to August town so far?
I like it, I enjoy it. Good vibes.
Yeah, and you can testify that you haven't seen 1% of violence since you've been here, don't you?
All good vibes.
All good, great vibes. Right now, we're glad for them because all our vibes are bro. A long time I leave honestly, I work too, you know. Work like every day, man. That's why honestly the other day nobody really see me because I'm up on the work, you see me? To make sure I work because you don't really have no real funds in this, I really there on here hustling and funds myself. And I keep myself.
So it helps fund the music, you know, keep it going.
Fund the music and get songs recorded and mix and master and produce songs and make sure them produce the proper way and campaign and right now we need to do some more campaigning from board because that's a massive song. We need to get that on some platform, on radio play and
get
so
some airing of it.
Put in behind the thing and we just take it a day at a time. Practically.
It soon come.
It's practically here, but it's just the transition because a lot of times, you know, as you say, you have to go back and when you come here probably another month that's real life. We go there, we go all our vibes and we go transition up again, you know, and the thing will go elevate again and we go up on another level because we never up on one level. Back a couple of years ago, we did have an encounter something similar to this with a you call Lazy Jaw and at the same mad vibes we did a whole one morning. Why pan a name this still because you don't know.
Fire pan Lazy Jaw.
Yeah, but you don't know. As we say, I just the energy, the encounter and we did dip on the level here. No, we dip on the level here and we encounter with Gallagher. You don't know that a tough game, tough name. Said we.
A girl is me, I call him.
Yeah, bro.
I remember that girl, girl.
I call it Gallus. See one girl and you. Apache Gallus, man.
If I come to Jamaica, I find my nickname. Yeah, Union Gallus.
Are you in Gallus, you know?
That's so we live, man. On the whole West Bank, man. Blood Nation, every day we get up, we laugh, roll boat, cook food. swim,
Bakali?
party, we go school, we laugh together, we cry together. You don't know, you see me, we fight together. We're not as in together, you know, like, we start one for all, all for one. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So you go around there, man. Right now, again, we're glad for the encounter. I said we hope we have a safe trip, go back up.
Yo, my father.
Hope you have people where I see this hope, and have a great day. Said we and go over my page, Davi Don Music, or subscribe. You see me, and believe in the youth them.
Check the
Believe
description in the
book,
card.
check
See it on the top.
description. Yeah. Remember to subscribe and hit that comment and hit that like button on Gallagher's page.
Patsy.
See me?
Patsy.
Bumbuckler. And remember, say don't fuck up. No.
One Davi Don Music, one Brooklyn
I share it.
Hear that? One
One.
Blood Nation.
One Blood Nation.
Yeah.
No boy, no girl.
None.
None at all from them test
Bad.
dead.
Mm.
Them this 12.
That's why we have a trip. That's why we have to kind of change up the flow in a sense. And that we there we are trying to work. A lot of work we there we are put in behind the scenes, you know. When they black at the scenes, so no matter fucking. But people are really see, well, yo, the artist himself are put in. You see me? But true, you know because money really propel you a certain way around here, you know. You see me? You don't really get the spotlight if you don't have the real cash, right? You see me? That rhyme, we go get it.
Because to make the videos, you need...
Some people need to get them act right, because you don't get the spotlight if you don't have the cash right, you see me? Oh, that's a tape. Guys are never real.
Yo, my God.
Right now, up there, just how I come past my mother. And she tell me, say, yo, my little brother, I get things done in terms of real, and she's sorry and things. Oh, she love, yo, she tell me one day, say, yo, two youth, I say, yo, I'm a mother that, you know, artist mother that, you know, she tell me, I say, yo, judge you. She didn't even know that at the least right now. But I really appreciate just to know, say, yo, so me would see me and I do it and I say, yo, you see me?
Yeah, they got some inspiration from you. They see you.
Yeah, because I come from the same place with them there right now. August Town. Majority of the time, I'm not really there still, but they are out the road. That's why we are going to leave here and go. But anytime at all, I need my head to speak, clear up or nothing not bother me or nothing at all. I just go up on my mother yard.
Just come there, calm down, take it easy.
Take it easy because she's a great lady. Because my mother, know enough people would even know, you know, because my mother is a woman like enough people. We stereotype her, you see me? Contrary to her certain way because of the life she lives. But me, if you grew up my mother,
she's always there for you, right?
Yo, my mother always there for me, man. Remember one birthday, I never did even get a gift or a certain thing. She never did have no money certain way. She did make me breakfast, my always gone bed with that. That plate of food, but the birthday, then I can't forget you because the way she wake me up the morning and thing, she just wake me up as a mother and I sing my happy birthday and a thing, you see me? Make me day and send me off for school. I never forget that, what I call a core memory.
It's locked in, remember?
So, never forget that. So I have to love and appreciate her every day when I can spend with her. We don't really reach certain things, certain levels or aspire to reach it, but we try our best to give thanks because other day, our birthday, we try to treat her to the best we can, you know, afford. I don't know, as many times we are working, when I work in VNC, we just try money management, all that, as me I said, the transition, so I just there, right there.
Piece by piece.
Piece by piece, step by step, day by day. That's why I say walk and believe, God and time, Brooklyn.
In the studio, Davi Don.
Yeah, Davi Don, you know?
Yeah, right now we're in a Sizzla Kalonji studio, record like, and do putty work and bust sweat, you see me, and build it song. Thank you, mama. Guide over us. Praise Jah. A lot of hit songs that are created in the studio. Catch over this. Catch a couple of the pictures.
One king.
One Sizzla Kalonji.
Where he makes most of his music is right here in the studio, right?
Catch the A-list. Catch the one Sizzla performance award. that we are talking about. You see me? Catch your flag.
I didn't even notice it was YouTube, like, yeah.
Red, green, and gold. YouTube,
Sizzla Kalonji, yeah. 100,000 subscribers.
Miguel Sizzla Kalonji. A lot of awards, you know.
Greatness, man. Remember me telling you.
One
That little girl good girl get that fame.
Happy birthday, Dad. His daughter made this one. Happy birthday, Dad. Yeah.
I find the song of Jack.
That award. Really award. Yeah, man, a historical place.
One map. One king, you know. So come down. One Davi
To the
Don.
engineer over there, because I tell you, as I tell you, you will probably have a lot to deal with because it's Wednesday and it's hectic. Because as you know, entertainer, international entertainer, I go busy every day. Majority of the time, as I explain to you what me and him can relate, him come back here for those chillax and those, you know,
Take a little
free
break.
mind and clear mid space and be back with him family and, you know, keep on our
Hey
work.
boy, yo, come here now. Come here now. Come here now, brother. Go first. From the man I ask you, brother. Go and run this, brother.
Oh, God.
Some Moses.
Yeah, boy, don't
Pick up
say that
Moses.
again.
Yeah.
Boy, I don't tell you, boy.
Nah, nobody has to go.
Big up Puka.
Say big up.
Big up Puka.
I will.
Kemar.
Big up Kemar.
What's a man a free?
Big up Puka. Big up Kemar. Big up Tyrone. Big up some friend.
Big up your mother.
Big up mother to and big up brother them.
Artiste.
Adal.
You always bang to my ears to get this one.
Big up West Bank.
Big up Facebook. Big up CIG and BNG.
Blood Nation.
That is it. Don't say me first again.
What are you?
Like you said, if I want to
I think but that one no copy.
That one ain't there?
Yeah.
DJ, so what you move on to the
Yeah.
DJ on my phone there.
GB cut.
DJ on my phone there. DJ, I got some phone there now.
So wait for the killer to say it. Apaches, I always say it. You know?
Thank you for that.
You going?
Yeah. How are them? Get them pizza in the Kingston. I'm only man I made there. Let me house mine. How are them there? I vlog them guys. Kingston man. Sister like a brother. But my artist said we but him shy.
Kingston.
DJ, where's that? Kingston. Big breeze. Like summer.
Come in over, we're up on the top.
We're in a juice still in a DJ.
They say I want to ease up.
Man, anything you say. There you go, Professor. Give them something, no, man, to youth them, look at inspiration. Tell youth them to stay focused. You know, tell them nothing, God.
You come back here.
Ferdinand, tell youth them, so what?
One BNG, one West Bank.
Believe. Shaba. Shaba Dan. Big breeze. Number one. Mozo. Yo, Mozo, load man, no Mozo. Man, you know, give them something. BNG killer, them active in the man, don't ramp in the man. Get a girl and get a youth. Alright, remember, Bone believe one bad producer. Bone, tell them say I get a girl and get a youth. Bad silver. Yeah, I want to them look for greatness. No boy. Father bad. Bagger. Steady. No boy. Bike up. Me and money there say that, you know. Them money are young girls. Full of girl. And them money are fuck all uptown. DJ. Make them know ever fresh. One Shabadan, no boy. So I can
Hey! 50 stage.
Catch it live, man. So we
Not afraid no boy. See there? Code live.
Wait, I'm have to take off
We have to say to them.
You would say stay focused.
Yeah.
You alone can stop yourself.
And don't fuck nobody.
Can't say about that.
Not that. We have to.
And don't fuck nobody.
Don't fuck nobody that. No, but you can't say upon the flag. We are saying.
What do you mean?
You can't say upon the flag.
Because you them
Now you say me a talk to.
apologize to nobody.
Don't apologize to nobody. I will call Bird back and make him know say, yo, link up for dub them, watch him phone a ring. How this?
Them mother.
Oh, a bad mind.
Eh?
How this a time? A bad mind? And a year time. Bad mind, hang up.
Hang up.
Beer. As a sister said.
Nah, use them.
Shabba weed, I know you know.
Braff them. Chapex! Bumbo car, we are looking for how long now through there now. Yo, I want to get Chapex. Something Chapex. I want to get Chapex. Live with them, no?
Yeah.
Live.
Rich me want for rich, I no want dead.
Easy.
Spend the road for red carpet. Yeah, money me need, I no want friend. Remember, I know where we started. Used to lose no time to my starting. Fuck them man, them negative talking. Who lick up and the gun for the falling. And of you gone before them reach glory. They never believe, but me believe in me. Welcome.
Where them find it?
Say that.
One Chapex.
Which one them can find it? Where them can find it upon?
Yeah, TikTok, YouTube, anywhere.
Where name?
Chapex, truthful, hear that.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, out there.
That I you know.
Outside. Artist I did.
Bro, come here, I don't know the thing come down, you know. Davi Don represent for the whole West Bank, whole Blood Nation. You hear that?
Yeah.
No boy. Hey boy, I'm
No
cool.
boy. Yeah, them. Live man.
What to do? We're going. We over here.
Yeah.
August Town, Judgement Yard.
Up top. Bad driver.
Put a driver on it. Big up Crazy J.
Up. That's what we say, J.
Judgement Yard. Peace.
Up there.
One Davi Don.
Fool. Yeah.
Broken operation, yeah, dad.
Fatty.
Steady on.
CCI. Go find move.
No, I.
Yeah,
No, I.
Side bars.
I decide lifestyle. Every day we do this.
Yeah.
Check up on West Bank on a daily basis.
Yeah, we're going uptown with them.
Link with BNG killer them.
BNG. The you say.
No.
Yo, wow.
Hey boy Moses, you see you? Boy, you see you? Someone from Sayan, yeah? I rain a fall.
I may get it.
Yo, give me like that.
What we are doing?
Yeah, couple of years.
Make him money, make him money.
Yeah, what it going for you, one.
Go for the BNG that.
One silver. One bones. Fully. Yo. Steady then. 6, you know. Father. Bike up. Big fight. Ghost boy. Fully. Side then. Side.
Broke.
Give me one here, Mozo. Give me run this.
Big up.
We are what, Mozo?
Shabba said, right thing is to bigger brother than
Mozo, go on, Mozo.
Right.
Mozo entertainment, Mozo music. Mozo.
Yeah. We are left Sizzla Kalonji place on the road and bought some food.
Yeah.
So I eat, you know?
Yeah, I know.
Big up, bless up.
Up. Yeah. Oh, there.
Bad driver there. Steady on.
Let me chew it.
Steady.
Let me chew, Berg. Let me chew. Yeah, let me chew now. Let me chew now.
Shabba, room them.
That me I do. Everyone can touch, sir.
One blood nation, one whisper. They broke up now, man. My name say broke up now, man. One whisper. Yeah, my name say broke up now, man. You know, yeah, the man in there. Broke up now, man. Broke up. Yeah, my name say Bang, say broke up now.
Yeah, watch. Broke up.
Broke up. Meridian say broke up now, man.
One broke up, yeah, that.
One broke up, one blood nation. No boy, no girl.
62 step. Blood clot. Ready run back.
Come on right.
Big up.
Bro, come.
You have to fit for this. One
Well, I'm also.
No boy, BNG West Bank, Davi Don.
I'm going to go down my name walk down to my step. But I have done some more things to go down the mat.
Steady.
One BNG, hear that?
One CRV, hear that? One broken badness, hear that? Never tell a lie. One.
Perry. What are the most man you want? Right now, video me a video. I want to tell Mozo.
But I can't get it.
I want to tell Mozo.
Teacher, the mongrels. Teacher.
Move, Mozo. What's the Mozo?
Go, teacher.
And me have the two quad them, you know.
Hey boy, you're a fool. You're an idiot.
One BNG.
I'll turn and watch the road and come to you.
Yeah, man, don't fuck up. Don't fuck up.
Don't fuck up, West Bank. Get BNG killers them. Don't fuck up. One Siva, see Siva there. No boy.
Siva, what you say?
I'm red, man.
Yeah, BNG, yeah. West Bank. West side.
Perry.
Yeah, Ben.
Oh, yeah.
West side.
West side.
Yeah, the artist there.
Couple people say it.
Artist.
Broke home.
Bagger.
Believe. Browning, get Browning.
Browning.
Oh.
What you say?
November 11. Baga West Bank, you know. No boy. Believe. One Davi Don. West Bank this one.
Yeah. See now, I make it happen.
West Bank.
Yeah. Everything will go and make it happen. Yeah.
Yep, everything going on. Everything will go on.
Just a push up her face, so I'm trying.
She not get catching at this.
Oh, the outside with the kid at them.
Yeah.
The bagger, million.
Yeah, millions, daddy.
Pussy. Pussy, tell this, pussy. Them.
Hey, Shevchenko.
Them. Millions.
The millions. I am name me one if I have that today. No man, young money.
No man, young money.
money.
Outside.
we done. Rusty.
Yeah, Judgement Yard again. See? One done. Judgement Yard. See boss there?
Brooklyn, Believe, West Box.
Yeah.
Artist, they say food shop.
Yeah.
Ital stew. Big boss of Ital stew.
I need some food.
Yeah.
My belly full, huh? Ain't all day. Got a headache.
PNG.
Are you already
Outside.
running now, man?
Here, Tone.
Another day, hear that?
Right, that's where I go?
No, Brooklyn.
Artist, I'm gonna get one of them, man. Right, that's all? That.
Food shop uptown.
Yeah? That a go on. Let show the cameraman there. Let's see what I go on. That's you ready. The chef?
Yeah,
Bad chef.
I bought a chef, bro.
Dr. Spice, right? Big up Dr. Spice.
That is it, man.
Yeah.
And one up top.
Yeah.
Alright, I know.
One up
See my Davi Don, Broko.
Chef want chat to you, man.
But there, man, my father, man, Dr. Spice. But there, I just a
Love how you deal with it, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, man.
Love how you deal with it.
Real Rasta thing, you see that? You see what I want?
Get your Rasta. Catch your fire.
See them?
Oh, no, I'm to deal with it.
That no, man.
Alright, give me
Some White House stew, some rice, whatever you got.
Yeah, we have some sauce, some juice, and some stew, and some mac and some chips. All these nice things.
Yeah.
See DJ?
Yeah.
one
big
book.
One Davi Don.
Yeah, catch him, man.
Davi Don.
Broko.
Broken. I am this.
Ah,
Wow, fine Rasta just coming up papine. Come up
Tell them a
town.
location for you.
Yeah.
46 Gantown Road.
Well, I know. Dog, tell them location.
Yeah, man. 46 Gantown Road. You say you pass over Blue Mountain, so you don't know somebody there in the heights.
Yeah.
Dr. Spice.
By the million.
Spice.
That's why.
Anyway, we'll go, we have to get 3 meals.
Yeah.
See,
We get 3.
Yeah.
Big up.
see money.
Dr. Spice.
Yeah.
That's a spice. See money and 2 money.
Ital is vital.
Yeah, you know, one report.
Love it.
Artist, leave it in a deal to it now.
Love it.
Black State smash.
Baking soda is a household essential with many uses. Before revealing what
For nobody. No. That me a
Check out the food here.
Yo,
Aha.
it's like a
Good stuff right here. Ital.
Give me a camera, man.
Dr.
Hey.
Spice.
Yeah.
Dr.
Check it out.
Yeah.
That stuff
Dr.
there.
Spice.
Yeah.
We got the pear,
There. Yeah.
the rice,
Yeah.
cabbage, all the good stuff.
Man, take piece up, man. Take piece, man. You see how one?
Yep, I got the fork.
Yeah, that video.
Give me the fork.
Yeah.
Make you taste them food, man.
Yeah, take piece, man.
Here, fuck, bro.
That food are right for your body. Make your body fresh. That's why Jamaica people are strong.
Look
I
at
rock too much vibe.
Look
yeah.
at it. Rice and peas, curry chicken. No, curry.
All vegetables.
All
Yeah.
vegetables. Not no chicken, no anything.
All good stuff.
All vegetables.
All vegetables.
All vegetables.
Big up.
Big up Jamaica.
How was the food, man?
Good.
Yeah.
Very tasty. This very spicy. Dr. Spice got it ready.
One more like that spice. Many more if you come round. Artist, you say?
Broko, member be bowl, hear that?
Yeah.
Food to him. Food is soul. I mean, yeah. Food is soul.
Yeah.
Soul food.
Yeah, man, you can sit down, man.
Calabash dried up.
Calabash, when it dried up, you can make a plate, you can make a cup.
You've been challenged, right?
And this is a chalice of the coconut.
Rasta man vibration,
Give thanks again, you know.
Give thanks and praise.
Health and strength. 94.
94?
Yeah, this is our Garnet Hill.
This is our Garnet Hill. This is no, really reggae.
In 1994, they killed this artist, assassinate him for his word sound and power. And then tell him out he was cranking gun and kill and shoot and foolishness. They assassinate this greatest.
Trying to silence his words, right?
Yeah, one of the greatest.
The story was he could have, his mother house abandoned, you see me? And he could have escaped without her, but through the love him have his mother, he just stay at the barricade with her.
Try to get her out.
Because through say physically, she must say, you know, have age. So him try to get to her, him get to her, but through the fact say, oh, him could go with her through the little space. And him couldn't manage there, the fact go well for her.
So they both passed away in a fire.
Most detrimental story them in Jamaica.
Yeah, so
well, legend, man.
Yep. R.I.P. to him.
Go surf on the block here now, isn't it? Go walk up on the block here.
Alright. Alright, well, bless up. Nice meeting you. Good food.
Yeah.
Appreciate the vibe.
I know you enjoy your food.
It was good. Fill me up.
Yes, sir.
I just got a little headache. I didn't eat since like 8 o'clock this morning, so we wait too long. It's like,
Can't stop. Guy and Sage. People big up. One doctor spice.
One doctor. One doctor.
I see him that him a pull up one. Wait, that's it. Yo, Juvenile, big up yourself.
yo, big up.
Get my phone now.
Roots. Roots drink.
Yeah, you firm up your body at all time. You can't want to drink this bag of rum. No, you jump down. What you do? Y'all in later.
Yeah. Rasta Roots from Dr. Spice.
Oh, that's it. Relax. Steady. That's too far, so tap it my dog. I am that. Walk, that's it.
August Town.
Davi Don, Uptown, you hear that? West Bank, you hear that? BNG, Believe. Subscribe to YouTube page, Davi Don Music, TikTok. Yeah.
Big up. This is like the main shopping area for August Town up here. Big up.
Bad show it. Come down. Bad show it. Maximum. See that? Big Uptown. Bad show it.
Pick up yourself. And bring them shoes back to life, right? Anything, bring them back.
Big up, you know.
Pick up yourself. Uncle Shoes.
Yeah, the one.
slow lift boy, man, you see me?
Yeah, you can't stay back on me now. You walk go now.
Yeah, man, do your thing.
They gonna walk too, I guess.
He good, man, he good, man.
Drive. Yeah, man, drive back over, man.
For real?
Yeah, the can't buy walk man. I remember so we are going to walk now. Watch the road. We are walking from DNG, then we are walking from Rastafari. Uptown, remember that one Davi Don. I full hear this, I hear that, believe. Right now we are going to circle on the BNG block.
Yeah, this over there. You see me?
Daily.
On the studio. Man, him there down here. Broke home. Sizzla Kalonji, you see me?
Sesso Rastafari. Sesso
See this?
Evermore.
Block this again, you see me?
Yeah, there you go.
The oil them there.
Some vegetables, mark. Walk on, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, father, come catch you here.
Big up yourself. Yep. Last guy. Stop. This is View Ave, huh?
Yeah, Bob, conscious, righteousness. Blackness, don't watch you. So bleach out. Righteousness, man, till the day we dead. R.I.P. Joe Bad. And I say, up here, some make a fellow named President. Joe, you see me? Another motivational figure in the whole journey because them man, they did hear my talent too. Reach out and there as a community rep, as a individual, as a righteous person. Like said, we see me them man, they hear my talent and glad for know say, yo, we are doing it on the artist level, you see me? Yeah. Right now, you see sign where you say the most high, the truth cannot be overcome by might. Words of wisdom again, you see me?
Yep, words of wisdom.
Solid words. Regular me just come up here and just focus on that. That was a great message behind it, said, you see me? Every time I tell the mind straight at all with us one. Look a reminder them, said we. Blood nation again, so they for a regular day. You see me? Grow up. Another hometown. Time in the day, I have some of the majority of the time, you see me?
It's a different part of Augusttown we at, right?
No, this is actually Tavern.
Oh, Tavern is a different town?
Yeah, it's a different town. It's actually Tavern. Some pretty places, man. I tell you, watch it.
You got the nice view.
It's like it's a rainforest because you know
it's like in the valley.
Yeah. Worker. Broke with me no father. They are do it, you know? This our majority had the tune them coordinate. Understand? When we really sit down and meet, majority of the song them, you fool around here, so I'm fine, you fool. And the whole EP. No, I lie. I never find the whole EP, but you fool, I find around here, so.
EP
like
soon come.
On a regular day, around here, I find you fool. Understand? Down here, so majority of the time, we just have a boombox them or some form of speaker.
Everyone gathers around where the tune at.
And we just all our vibes. Every day is our work, man. up, you know.
Man has enough.
Big up.
Big up yourself.
Alright, give thanks.
Good
Give
thanks.
thanks for life and strength.
Yes, sir.
Continually, you know.
Man, they are
What the
going
game is all about. Oh, your advice.
Don't know. No, man, they are going to do a documentary, you see me?
Oh, Bombagla.
That level, that float.
It's too late now.
John, where's that?
Not disturb about that, not there.
Watch him steal that.
Don't worry your brain.
Good, man. Still good.
Don't worry your brain, man. Take your time. Come down on the stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a general, man. Everything level up, man. These are the least of things.
Alright,
Give praises to the Almighty.
My bad about that, brother.
God's son. Prosperity, you hear?
Big up.
Continue the work, my father. Right at here. Right at here.
Wagwan.
They are my artist.
I love him for that. They are fast track going about this.
Yes, man. Say now I will do something for them.
Say, do you see me?
Say all right thing, man.
I circle over here, sir.
Yeah, man.
So, top them on the right. Alright, then the front. Blood Nation, you see me? Yeah, this stage, we pass the road.
Big up. Yeah.
Well, they don't cook. One week.
There's another hanging out spot, right?
Yeah. Buy some. You actually close right now, but another day when you know, on a regular day when I'm active in the studio.
Oh, they got a studio here?
Yeah. Due to the fact that they're upgrading it, they might do some work on it, so them close it down for a little bit.
Yeah, renovations.
Yeah. I walk around and see. I walk around for my yard, you know. I'm going to go back, so. Let's see how great I'm calling.
Oh, wow. Is that a part of the same neighborhood up there, Tavern, or that's something separate?
No, that's upper highlight. That's Garden Town side.
Oh, Garden Town?
The entrance to go to
The Blue Mountain?
Blue Mountain. Notice the atmosphere is a little bit chilly, chill.
Yeah, it's more cool, the air.
Yeah. Actually, I just want to catch right down here, so I show you a little another part to the gully.
Oh, right here.
So like the riverbed itself. You know, like go right down here, so.
Yeah, what you say down there, say name again?
Down here, so the riverbed, valley, Riverview riverbed.
Yeah.
Up here near Riverview. You're close to Tavern. We are going to leave here and head down to Tavern now.
Yeah.
That's my next home. And from the August town. We'll catch 2 little clips.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, father, Bucky, big up yourself and the filming thing. You see me, I love how you catch your angle. Them.
Yeah.
All different angles.
Yeah. So we're there with the big man and told the place real.
Yeah.
They must say violence all no. No form of violence.
Nothing see them.
And music we there on here promote. Life and love.
She's right.
Yeah.
Just don't eat some good food and we there all have great vibes.
Ital vibe.
Ital vibes.
Ital is vital.
Yeah. So you have to catch your thing, you know. Your thing look good.
King in them town and leave get no crown yet you.
Crown soon come.
Watch out the car.
Godson.
One artist. Man. One time. You're Godson. Big up. All the time, my father. Look. Chop.
One chop.
Father.
Artist, big up yourself. Yo, alright.
Big up, big up.
Steady, yeah?
Steady.
Anyway, there are artists. You know what's going on.
Yeah, my fool.
Europe, Switzerland, Britain, Sweden.
There.
Chop artists. Remember good number.
Man. 50 states, man.
Yeah, man, 50 states. Not you. What kind of, yeah?
There.
Blood Nation.
Love. West Bank.
One West Bank.
One West Bank for that.
Believe, hear that.
The elders behind you.
Yes, uncle.
Believe and believe and never stop believing, Def.
Yeah. I work. I can't just believe too. I have to work.
And believe.
Try
Bible said
get
don't feed on lazy man. Say work and believe. Remember. Work and believe.
That's how we really meet
and do it. Most
work
people
out there. Circle from Tavern. Yeah. Give him the dog and instead of the dog.
Yeah.
One
Davi Don, one BNG, one Blood Nation.
Yeah, man.
Good time. West Bank too, you know, can't left for the west side. Believe. Believe! Catch a view. Watch your
Viral down here, so.
Yeah, man, slow the bass. The bass get slow. Cut off the pulpit. King George get cut him off.
Yes.
19. Bono. That's it.
Big up man, my father, man. Die them thing there, you see me? But they also I do it a prophecy, man. Give God thanks every day, you step of the way. Good day, bad day. You see me? A true, isn't it? Yeah man, this a Tavern over there now. I walk on Tavern Drive, go up on Tavern Avenue, you see me? Grow. Stay up on that side.
Yeah, I see them, man.
Yes, yes. Big up, you know. All of them.
Brooklyn Entertainment.
Out there in the best work. Just a tour the place, you know?
Yeah.
Show them the people and the thing.
Oh, find it. Let us up on you. What's this big on over there?
What's right here?
Over there, the weed yard.
Oh, that's the weed yard.
This is which part DJ buy weed every day. Over there say DJ buy weed. Yeah, I agree over there.
Believe, hear that? Your man father right now. Bob, show you. See this? Words of motivation around here. Take advantage of every opportunity where there is none. Make one for yourself. You see me? That's a word from Marcus guy. Realist. Pardon yourself. The great Mr. Noah say, when trouble take big man, fitness should fit him. And those feel like a joke, you hear that? That's all. You never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. Bob Marley, you see me? Yeah, there we are all the vibes said, you see me? We're not 3 way, because I don't know the video go. We have to keep it confidential, said way, and I respect. So we're not 3, you see me? Don't know a code. Broken man, another day in a Davi Don life, man, you see me? Pick up yourself, Apache. I don't know where thing go. Guidance.
Yeah.
Another day.
Another dollar. Really, broken says so. One broken boss. Right now
So
we are
one town, you see me?
Yeah. One Tavern Avenue.
One Tavern Avenue.
West is open.
What is it?
One Tavern Avenue. Shabba says so. See him over there.
That's too far out of the man.
Yeah.
Believe. One Davi Don music.
They say, yo, get to you, just remember be bold. Remember the world we live in and come with the cold. Big Granny said, don't trust a soul. The Bible says, work out when you work, you reap what you sow. Hey, me carry a piece from my road. Cause in the streets, say, we meet with a greet with a foe. Cover with Holy Ghost. Every life we live, cause we can't live no more. I see when I read testimony them here.
Broken.
Future that, you see me? Believe. I'm not sure if our music him a go do or something, but I know say how him a go great, you see me? I don't know. If you get to you, great. I don't know, see if you come first, you know, you get your result in the road.
Enjoy life. Every ghetto youth a king and every ghetto girl a queen. Brawling. Brawling. Hear that? Believing in yourself. Nobody can stop it except you. Yeah, remember be bold. Davi Don says so.
So, you know, this a step. This is how you one of the
entertain them
uptown power trap. Big up intensity. Don't know how you will make it through. Oh yeah. Power trap, whatever be, catch it yard. Yeah, big up. So now we are
Anti-Bill.
Like she not did it.
You know, Anti-Bill know you got love and respect. Uncle, you know you got know. One Davi Don know. DJ, for that side of DJ. Believe,
is to be faithful to the proclamation of the truth in such a way that people will make an intelligent decision regarding Christ. They can either accept him or reject him.
Right now we are going on a pool side now. On a pool yard, you know. What you like? What you? What you say? Believe youth. Remember that money have to make. Hear that?
Everything is possible, you see me?
Remember DJ say money have to make.
Believe in yourself, make that money.
Make that money. No one's ever getting the bread but you. Remember that.
Got it right here, look. Self-made.
Alright, self-made. Remember. I never man-made, I self-made. Believe in yourself. And you have to believe in nobody else. We say believe. Remember, we both get the youth. We live in it cool. Uncle, bless up. Get your uncle when we are blessed them up. You know?
We live hometown. Judgement Yard, Tavern Avenue for real. So grew up, you see me? Run up and down on them street and go shop. And ride bicycle and play football. You see me? Grow up.
DJ, I'm going Father Bobby, you know.
Yeah, shoot.
One bad bar, you know. One father Bobby over here, so. Father Bobby, you don't know later.
One on the block.
I go.
There you go.
What is it with the other?
Tonight. Hey, DJ, give them pizza tonight.
Yeah, man, you don't know. Bobby Wednesday.
What are the DJs? Never?
Hey, don't know the thing come down and Davi Don represent for Bobby Wednesdays. Come circle and get your thing dealt with. You see the back dance them. You hear that? Hey, boy, you're a fool. Pull up, no. No, boy. Father Bobby. You know it go. Every Wednesday, mama say. Father Bobby, think of yourself.
Iron brother. Yeah.
That's the energy, you know, people in my community believe, you know. So you go, you have to believe in yourself, you poor people and believe in you.
That is so. After the rain, the sun must shine again, you hear that?
After a storm,
must be a calm.
Yeah, this again, you see me?
You know, mama yard.
You see me? Don't feel like a game. Yeah, this again. Davi Don Productions. So Davi Don Yard, man. No man. Up, Billy. Shop this. Then build up. Some practical more work. If right there, so isn't it?